and search for PyCharm here. And it will go to jetbrains.com and PyCharm. So from here, I'm going to download the latest IDE. Click on the download link. And here there are two versions. One is professional edition, which is paid version. And then there is a community edition, which I'm going to download now, which is free or open source. Click on download. I have already downloaded it on my desktop. So here we have PyCharm executable installation file. So after downloading this, you double click on the installation package. Click on next. And here I'm going to install it on some other drive. So I have created a PyCharm folder here. And click on next. Then I'm going to add the launcher directory to path and associate Python files with PyCharm. And then click on next and install. Okay, once the installation is complete, click on finish, and that will get PyCharm installed on your machine.